Hi, I'm Len Barrick, President of the Jewish Federation of Greater Philadelphia. My wife Lynn and I would like to wish you and your family a happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. Every year, I always look forward to the high holidays as they bring a sense of renewal and optimism. It's a special time when we take stock of our personal and professional lives and plan for the future. It's a time when we reflect upon what we have been able to achieve, and a time when we hope that the new year will bring health and peace to our families. We also hope that the new year brings the same to our community here in the Greater Philadelphia area, in Israel, and around the globe. As I begin my second year as president of our federation, I am proud and humbled by the great strides we have made together as a community. We are a more efficient, effective organization. We are more focused on the critical needs in our community. We are more strategic in the way dollars are directed, and our message is beginning to resonate with our community's top philanthropists. I will soon be delivering a year-in-review message to the community. I promise you that it will not only be inspirational, but also very eye-opening. I look forward to hearing your comments. In 5769, we must commit to more aggressively fund organizations, programs, and initiatives that address our community's most pressing needs. We have to greatly enhance our efforts to measure and communicate the impact of these funds to our donors and to the community at large. There is significant room for improvement. I am confident that we can do it. We must do it. There are too many folks in our community who depend on us. We cannot and we will not let them down. Let us embrace this season of reflection and renewal as an opportunity to lead fuller, more meaningful lives. In this new year, let's work together to build a stronger, more inclusive, more responsive, and more vibrant Jewish community. L'Shana Tova.